Hello babes, and welcome back to the channel. First and foremost, I would just like to come on here and say thank you to everybody who watched my recent video. Shout out to y'all. Thank you so much for watching that video. Also, I would like to go ahead and give a shout out to my cousin, you guys. My cousin has a YouTube channel, and I'm gonna go ahead and shout his channel out. He's hilarious. So make sure you guys go check out his channel. I'm gonna leave it in the description box, and I'm also going to maybe put the name up in the screen somewhere. So go check his channel out. It's called Kansas City Hot Seat, I believe. But go check him out. He posts just basically different type of things going on within Kansas City. So go check him out. And without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. Okay, so as you can see from the title, this is not gonna be like an in-depth tutorial, but I'm gonna be just doing my hair in a really cute extended up ponytail. I'm going to be using some leftover hair that I had from a previous install. This hair is beauty supply store hair, so you can go buy this hair at the beauty supply store. And like I said, I have a previous video that you can go check out, that I'm also going to link in the description box for the hair. But this is pretty much the hair that I'm going to be using for my ponytail. Putting the red back in. Things you're going to need, you're definitely going to need some type of oil of your choice. Oh, this is my real hair, y'all. This is all me, boo-boo. You know, a lot of people be questioning women who wear weave and wigs all the time, which I don't understand. But people, you know, love to assume and judge people because they wear weaves and wigs that they don't have hair, which is crazy. This is all me, boo-boo. My hair is straightened. And I'm about to slick it up and put it in a ponytail style. You want to start off with your hair straightened or blow dried out straight, because I'm doing a sleek. Like, I don't want no waves, no lumps, no bumps. So I did straighten. I washed, deep condition. I washed my hair and I straightened my hair out off camera. I did that yesterday actually, because I know I was gonna do my hair in this style. I do not straighten my hair often. If you do not want heat on your hair, then don't do this style, because I had to use heat. Just make sure that you use a heat protectant every time that you use your hair, and you should be fine as far as avoid getting heat damage. So yeah, you're gonna need some oil, edge booster, edge control, whatever edge stuff you like. Hairspray, got to be. You can use whatever hairspray you like. I'm using got to be. And you're also gonna need some glue, a nice hard bristle brush. Something to do your edges with, and what else you're gonna need? Oh, and also of course your extensions and a hair tie. Also, you're going to need hair wrapping strips. They look like this, old school rapid strips. You know, gonna need some of these. I got the black ones, so get some black ones so it can blend in better with your hair. And we're gonna go ahead and get started. So like I said, make sure you start off with your hair slick and smooth, okay honey? No kinks. Get it pulled up to where you want it to go. I have left some of my edges out so I can do my baby hairs and all that stuff. And we about to go ahead and start this process. This is gonna be just pretty much you guys watching me do it. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started.
All right, baby. So I said that I was not gonna explain anything, but I lied. So anyways, right now you just want to start off with brushing and combing your hair up, your hair up into the ponytail. Now, when you do this part, you want to take your time doing this, because you want to make sure that your ponytail is sitting exactly where you want it to sit, because once you get your hair molded, there's no going in and correcting it. Once you add on the hairspray to like lock your hair into place and mold your hair into place and set it, you're not going to be able to go in and readjust your ponytail. It's possible, but you don't want to do that. You never want to comb through your hair when you have like hairspray or anything hard on your hair, because that can definitely cause your hair to just break and snap off. So don't do that. Take your time and alternate between the comb and the brush to brush your ponytail and brush your hair up into the ponytail and get it sitting exactly where you want it to sit. I didn't do a good job of this because my ponytail didn't sit exactly where I wanted it to sit at. I wanted it to sit up higher. So yeah, definitely make sure that you take your time doing that. Once you get it combed and all your hair is going where you want it to go, I like to go in with edge booster or some type of other substance in addition to the hairspray. I've seen this where some people use strictly just hairspray, but because I'm doing this hairstyle on my head, it's harder for me to do my own hair, period. So I am using the edge booster and I'm putting it on the perimeter of my head to help kind of slick my hair and kind of act as I don't know, it just helps me get it sleek to where I need to go before I like solidify exactly how my ponytail is going to lay, if that makes sense. I hope I'm explaining that right, but y'all get the point. I'm a visual learner. So sometimes I have a hard time explaining things. I can show you better than I tell you. Now, because I am 100% natural, guys, I am 100% natural. You want to make sure that you use products that does not have a lot of water based in the products, because you don't want your hair to revert and start to wave up. Mine kind of started to do that a little bit when I started using a hairspray, but I kind of knew that was going to do that. Like I said, you want to use stuff that's not that's not water based, so your hair doesn't revert back. And this edge booster, edge control works really, really good with not reverting my hair back and making it curl up or wave up. So if you don't care about your hair waving up, by all means, be my guest and use whatever you want. You can use gel, but I really think using the edge booster, edge control first is a very good start off to help you. I haven't had any problems with it. It can turn white. It has turned white on me, but that's only happened when I mixed it in with products. And all you just need is a little bit of oil to get rid of the white residue. So, yeah. Now that I have my hair pretty much brushed up where I want it to go in pretty much most parts, keep in mind, guys, I am doing this on myself. It's so hard to do my own hair for some reason for me. And then also I'm doing this like looking in a really little bitty mirror. So yeah, but I'm making it work. Okay, so anyways, now that I have my hair pretty much where I need to go, I'm going to go in with my hairspray of choice, which has got to be, and I'm going to work in sections. So I'm going to start in the back, or you can start wherever, but I'm working in sections. I'm going to start in the back and I'm going to spray a nice layer of that hairspray, comb it or brush it into place, and get my blow dryer. And you see me holding that spot where I combed up the hair at. I'm rubbing it to make sure that as it dries, that the hair is going to stay where it needs to stay. So again, I'm working in section. I only did like half of the back of my head. I have a small head, so really, really small head, so I don't have a lot of sections to work with. But I started in that one section back there. Spray, brush it up, smooth it up with the brush in your hand. Hold it and get your hair blow dryer and blow so it can dry into place. And it should dry hard. Make sure you use enough hairspray so it can mold it and hold it in place. All right, guys, so take a look here. This is the ponytail once it's been slicked up and in place. Now I'm going to go ahead and start braiding my hair. I'm just doing a simple French braid, and I'm braiding my hair down so we can get it prepared to begin gluing our tracks on for our ponytail. Again, I'm just braiding all the way down to the ends. If you have longer hair, you can braid it all the way down to the ends and then fold your hair up into each other, fold the ponytail on top of each other and make it shorter. If you have kind of like my length hair shorter, it works way better to do this. But yeah, I'm spraying my hair down, and this is going to be what we're going to attach the ponytail onto. We're going to go on with our wrapping strips, the black wrapping strips, and we're going to take that and we're just going to start wrapping that around our ponytail. And you want to wrap it around the ponytail really tight and taut so the paper doesn't go anywhere and you don't it doesn't move when you're applying your hair when you start gluing it on. And also, you want to make sure that it just protects your ponytail. The whole point of this is to protect your hair from the glue. So we are all about healthy hair and protection of our healthy hair over here, okay? Period. So, yeah, wrap that around. Make sure it's nice and taut. And then once you get to the end, you don't want to wrap it all the way down to the end of your ponytail. You want to wrap it down like half. Because we're not going to be using the entire thing. Unless you're doing a real long ponytail, you don't need to wrap it all the way down. Because we're not going to put the tracks on at the end of our ponytail. We're going to put it on where the wrapping strips start. So, yeah. Now, that extra piece of hair or that extra length of my ponytail that's hanging out, that's the part that I was mentioning that you could fold up under itself if you wanted to get it out the way. But with this particular ponytail, the way I'm going to do it, there's no need to. It won't show. You will not see this braid anywhere in the ponytail. Also, instead of gluing the hair onto your ponytail, you can also use bobby pins. If you would like to see another video where I do this using just bobby pins on my ponytail, definitely drop a comment or like this video. Now we're going to go in and add some glue. This, you can either add the glue onto the wefts as you're wrapping it on your ponytail, or you can just add the glue on your ponytail like this. This is much easier. Be careful not to get any hair on glue on your actual real hair, but you're not going to get any on there at all if you're careful, and just put it in a straight line going down the top of your ponytail. And this is going to make it easier and quicker and less messier when we're wrapping our ponytail around so it can stick. You'll see what I'm talking about in the next slide.